Modular Packaging is a company that does dry line packaging. We package pills and tablets and capsules and so forth. We serve the pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, and vitamin industry. Our business will be 50 years old next year. We provide a full range of packaging solutions from the individual machine itself up to a completely fully integrated packaging line.
We have an entire packaging line being built in a very short time period. We are using smartwire DT to enhance our control systems as we see challenges during that process. Since we do more than just one machine, having multiple machines performing different functions, having to deal with different protocols, different machine interfaces can be challenging.
Presently, Modular is exploring working with smartwire DT in order to help us facilitate building our packaging lines quicker, also to help us troubleshoot those packaging lines, and also to enhance our ability to work with our customers and give them the product support that they need.
Around 2 years ago at my visit to Pack Expo, I was invited to an Eaton event that showed us the technology of smartwire DT. My basic interest was sparked by the flexibility of the system and the easy way to enhance that into different control platforms that we use here. We are here at our demo line, starting with our VC12 value count. As you move on, we see our first smartwire DT point, which controls 2 actuators, splitting the containers into 2 lanes. We have different ways of verifying if the count is accurate or inaccurate, and based on inaccuracies, we reject that container that is inaccurately counted in. What you see here is the ICU 280, one of the primetime new technologies in the solid dose counting market. Line control on our demo line, we use smartwire DT as controlling our I/O points throughout that line control. The Tconnectors were quite easy to mount to our existing system. The overall mount time was significantly less than anticipated.
Tconnector will allow us to connect different sensors, different valves, and different products all in one connection.
We have mostly on a conveying line photo eyes and solenoids, since the Tconnectors are direct plugins that screwing a connector on for a sensor cable or solenoid has reduced troubleshooting time significantly. The benefit we see in this technology is the smartwire DT connectors enable us to distribute the I/O points directly where they're required, instead of having to run each and every cable back to the main enclosure.
Modular looks at the smartwire DT platform as having the ability for the Tconnectors themselves to be able to connect to different brands of products. We hope that this will allow us to tie everything together in a neat bundle.
Below our conveyor belt, you will see a troughing system. Traditionally, that troughing system would contain a lot of control wiring back to the enclosure. We now are able to enhance the system using the smartwire DT by being able to control all those I/O points through a single cable, which is a great advantage as far as amount of cabling and the overall time required to complete that process. And the ability to attach and detach I/O has been significantly easier for someone who has been installing the system or dismantling the system. We
believe that the smartwire DT system will be a benefit to Modular in the future for being able to connect different devices and being able to enhance the overall line efficiency.
After the configurations generated within the SWDSys configuration software, importing it into the RS Logics is a short process. It took me less than 5 minutes to complete that process.
Technology is something that's changing very rapidly in our industry. More and more of our customer base is looking to have OEE type setups on their lines. They're looking for product control. With smartwire DT, we believe that this will enhance our ability to work with our customers and to give them the products and services that they desire.